have been using this, or even this for 2 to 3 years on my channel, and I feel like I need a rebrand. And it's not that anything is wrong with them, but I just need a change. Hey guys, if you're our teacher at Reply, and in this video here I'm gonna talk about rebranding my channel. Persons who have not recognized I have been using this, or even this on my channel now. Yes, because I'm starting to rebrand my channel. And no guys, I am not changing the name. The name stays. So what am I going to do or talk about now? Let's find out.
Arts Workfly.
I posted a video yesterday, an introduction video, so you can go and check that video out. It now states that I will be talking about art, finance, and faith. I also want to do a bit of decor, but I consider decor as a part of art. If you look inside the CSEC syllabus or the CSEC examination paper, you can see that they have decor as a part of art. Decor meaning textile. So yes, I have a bit of knowledge on those, not knowledge or experience on those, not much. It's just based on knowledge gained over the years and my interest in that field. Even though I'm not certified in those areas, I still have a bit of knowledge on those areas, so I want to just put that in also. And if you have not yet watched the introduction video, go ahead and do so. I'm going to link it here or down below in the description, so go ahead and watch that video and you will see exactly what I'm talking about if you compare it to other videos that I've posted before. Now, coming in this month of February, I am going to post the videos that I promised you guys that I was going to post. So I'm going to upload them every day until the 28th of February, because on the 28th or the 1st of March I am going to post my relaunch, my rebrand video. Alright, so starting March 1st I'm going to post my rebrand video. And guys, I am now going to post regularly in my other social media accounts such as TikTok, Instagram. I will link all of those below, Facebook, etc. I will link all of those below, so if you have any of those accounts, you can follow me on those sites. Alright, and I will give you a taste of what am I posting on there on this channel, so you can go ahead and follow on those social media pages. So let's pray that everything goes well. Remember, I am still teaching, I am still working a 9 to 5, so I'm just doing my best to get those videos out for you guys. With that said, students, teachers, everybody watching, like, share, comment, subscribe, and remember to follow me on all social media pages. The link is down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Arts Workfly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.